Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where display settings are not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and select restart. The next solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Windows update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and click on device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.